Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301582, and this is a 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X, and our color is Summit White. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. All right, so we've got power windows, mirrors, locks, memory seat with a power driver's seat and lumbar support. Got our interior lighting control, trailer brake. Steering wheel features forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, stereo remote controls, and heat. We are satellite radio ready. Electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats. Got our diff locks, auto start stop, lane keep assist, a master window button, USB ports, a cell phone charger, an automatic transmission, 4x4 controls, and our trailer brake. We are also OnStar ready, and we've got our sunroof controls and our interior color, Obsidian Rush. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a 60/40 split bench seat, a couple USB charging ports as well for your rear passengers. And onto our exterior, we've got rocker guards, 17-inch GMC rims. We've got our rear parking aid, a rear view camera, a spray-on bed liner, and there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301582. You've just checked out the Summit White 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X. Thanks for watching.